Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. It's Friday, getting out of work, usual time, around noon here. Wanted to tell you guys two things. One, I got the dash cams from Vantrue, the F1, and they sent me two of them. So I'm going to be reviewing one, and we'll unbox it, install it, review it. You guys can see the footage. Looks like a pretty decent camera. I've seen a couple of reviews on it already. And the other one, I'll be doing a giveaway on for everybody. So yeah, all you're gonna have to do is make sure you're subscribed, and then I think, you know, what I'd normally do is like a comment picker. So just comment the bike you have right now and the word bike cam, and that'll get you entered into the drawing, and then we'll give that out to somebody. You know, after the video, we'll do like a video live, or well, whatever, recorded, and pick the winner, and then we'll let them know and ship it out. And Vantrue is also probably going to send me another 2 units that we'll end up giving away at some point as well. So stay tuned for that. And then the second thing was I just got my YouTube payment, my whole $100. It's taken months. This is the second payment I got, I think. So I'm gonna go on Amazon and get one of the exhausts for the Rebel here. It's like 89 bucks or something. It's the one I've been looking at. It's the cheaper, you know, it's like a slip-on or whatever. I think that's what we're gonna do. So as soon as that payment clears my my bank account, I'll go ahead and buy it, and we'll get it and install it. So that'll be pretty cool. You know, there hasn't been a lot of things I really wanted to do to this bike. It's so good, you know. But and then the other thing I want to do here coming up is it's going to do my own oil change. You know, whoa, pay attention. I'm going to do my own oil change, so we'll get the oil and the filter, and we'll do that. So but yeah, that's about it. It's a pretty nice day out, blue skies with some light fluffy clouds. Not supposed to rain or anything, so it'll be good. But yeah, and then this weekend I want to work on the 350 a little bit more. I got some more bullets and stuff, and we'll be finishing up the wiring there, and I got to get a few screws to mount the rear tail light and all that. So we're pretty close, and Trevor got oil, so we're going to do an oil change, and he also picked up some ZDDP, you know, the zinc additive. It's probably a good idea for these old bikes, so that's what we're going to do. But yeah, so I don't think I'll video that, but I'll keep you guys updated, and you know, we'll bring you back when there's more to see. So until then, we'll see you on the next one, and of course, if anything interesting happens here coming home, we'll let you know. All right, easy. Oh yeah, they've been doing work over here. I forgot about that. They've been kind of tearing the street up over here. I don't know what they've been doing, but for a couple days I've been having to go around these guys. They got some guys with signs set up. So don't know what they're doing. You can see they're jackhammering in the road. Jesus. Some with the sewers, I'm guessing. See these guys a couple days ago. So, look at, you can see the road. It's all tore up. You can see where they've been like digging and filling. Anyways. Of course, they're from Florida. A little scooter guy. Man, driving so slow. Man, Teslas are everywhere. Smoke? Weird. Smell like smoke, looks like smoke. Oh, that's smoke. Yep. Doge. What do we got coming here? Another scooter. Hey man, I'll give anybody props. Anybody on two wheels, man. Man, I need auto off-turn signals. I don't forget them. Well, I do, but you know, like 90% of the time I don't forget them. Then I look down, I'm like, shit, how long has that been on? The Gromster. You know, the one thing I didn't get for this bike yet is a bell. Anybody out there watching, you know, you can't buy one for yourself. If somebody wants to buy me a bell for this thing, hit me up. You can send it to me. I'd appreciate it. Keep away the gremlins. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Easy.